Hello fishing friends. Today we are gonna trout fish here at Trout Run. I'm with the family. Wave and say hi, girls. And luckily we all catch some trout, so wish us luck and we'll see you in a little bit. Fish on. There we go. Little trout. Little rainbow trout. We'll let him go. Yep, he's really floppy. Okay. First trout of the day. All right, let's catch some more. There's one, fish on the jig. Wow, this guy's going crazy. Oh no, he's caught. Oh, he's gone. I got him all caught up. Son of a bitch. Knew that was gonna happen if I got one. Crap, lost him in the trees. Well, I'm going back up the bridge here as soon as I get done casting. Of course, if you're not here with me, Kendall, if I get a fish, you can't reel it in. Like that. There you go, trout on with the crankbait. Kendall got one of the crankbait. Ooh, that's a nice rainbow. Bring him up here, we'll keep him. All right, good job. Actually, Kendall, we're gonna let him go. He's long. Yep, he's long and skinny. On the crankbait.
I'll let him go.
Got him hooked good. No way was he getting off. Okay, wanna let him go? Careful, he's very slippery. Don't throw him too hard. Let him go nice and gently. Oh, oop, there's a fish. Oh, I had one. I wasn't paying attention. I watched that one jump there. One just jumped right there and I was watching it. And I had one strike and I wasn't paying attention. Kendall, why would you do that? I want a fish that just jumped. This would be a good spot if you were to fly fish. Oh, there's a fish. My turn. You get the next one. Fish on.
Or can I let him go?
Well, we might keep him. He's actually a decent rainbow. It's a pretty good sized rainbow.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, he's a nice little keeper. We'll keep him.
Why didn't we keep mine? He was the best.
Yeah, because yours was skinny. This one's bigger, see? It's a little shorter, but he's fatter. He's got more meat on him. Got him hooked good.
Went on his lip.
There we go.
You're using a treble hook.
I know, but he's gonna flop. All right.
Daddy got hooked.
It's all right. I'll get it off. Nice, pretty rainbow trout. Let's catch another one. There's a fish. Want it, Kendall? Fish on?
Fishy.
On the crankbait. Get him, Kendall. Okay, lift him up. Oh, oh, oh. What? Kendall, what happened there?
Sorry.
It's all right. You lost a fish. No big deal. There's lots of them in here. It's all right. We'll catch another one. This one's mine. There's one, Sean. Got one for me. There's one on for me. I don't know. Yeah, we'll go ahead and keep him since we don't got hardly any. He's not bad. Short and fat, but he's all right. We'll keep him. Another trout on the crankbait. Ow, 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 ow. Stop flopping. God, this guy's a flopper. Stop. Guy is slippery as hell. Normally I wouldn't grip him with a towel, but we're keeping him, so it don't matter.
He looks like he has lipstick on.
Yes, because that's where I had him in the hooked at. Here you go, this guy's feisty. Another nice little rainbow trout on the crankbait. There's another trout. There's a nice one. Feels good. Another trout on the crankbait. This guy's going crazy. Oh! I don't know if I'm gonna save him. He fell off. We'll keep him if I get him without flopping in the water. Don't flop in the water. Got him. Ha ha! About flopped in the water. All right. Another little rainbow trout. All right. Let's catch another one. Ooh, there's one. Fish on. Another fish. Another rainbow on the crankbait. It's another nice little rainbow. That's the biggest one yet, I think. It's a nice rainbow trout.
Dad, how much fish have you caught?
I think this is number 4. All right, another nice, pretty rainbow trout. Oh, there's one. It's a nice big rainbow there. Didn't even have to reel in. On the crankbait. Didn't even have to reel in. That's a nice big one. Another rainbow trout. All right, let's catch another one.
You're really gonna put on really
Uh-huh. Nothing's rooshtail.
I think that big fish like that.
I think they're most like the... Oh, there's one. Kennedy, you want it? Rooshtail. Come on, you gotta hurry. You're gonna lose him. Oh, you lost him. See, you can't. The thing is you can't let the line go slack, because the pressure on the line is what keeps the hook into the trout. Especially on trout, they got fairly weak jaws, so they'll pull the hook really easily unless you keep constant pressure on the line. If you let the line go slack, then you're gonna lose the fish. Okay. I'm gonna do 3 more casts after this one, and then we'll try the rooster tail, and then we'll... Oh, there's one. Fish on. Okay, Kennedy, here you go. Hold on to the pole tight. Here, put your hand up here. Hold right there. Okay. Okay, lift him up. Can you get him? All right. Good job. We'll let him go. He's little. On the crankbait. Crankbait's been the key today again.
Can I let him go?
Yep. Got him? Oop, nope. You were going to drop him. I had to let him go, Kennedy. It's all right. We'll catch another one. I'll do one more, I guess. I'm going to do one more after this. I'm going to cast crosswards. All right. We're going to cast this way. There's one. Fish on. Fish on with the crankbait again. Looks like a nice little rainbow. Ooh, he's a keeper. He's a keeper. Another keeper rainbow. Another nice, pretty rainbow. Man, he's long. Skinny, but long. Well, fishing friends, I think we're gonna call her quits here today at Trout Run. We fished for several hours. We only caught 6 keepers. Nothing real major. Girls had fun though, didn't you? You want to wave and say hi to everyone? And the water level is really high and the water's pretty cloudy, so that's why we weren't having very good luck. Anyways, we'll see you guys next time. Good luck on all your fishing endeavors. Wave goodbye and tell everyone goodbye, girls. Bye.